3, 2, 1. Let the mayhem begin. Oh! And that was not the 4th of July's fireworks going off.
That was last weekend.
All them bumping up on that 1912 car. They're all bunching up together. This is what is a demolition derby is all about. As they all make their next move. We have a little collision over here. Looks like 517 shot. At 311 and the 410 KO are getting it. 1912 gets a little hit. That 55 car is coming back around, trying to make his move. And we got a red. Green light, green flag, let's go. That 55 car's maneuvering his way around. They're all at 1912. That 410 KO and also the 34 car, they're all bunching up together. A little collision by that 1912 and the 55. Green. We are down to 4. That 311 car just is taking that 55 car all the way to the corner. Little collision over there. He's still back in it. Got a little traffic jam over there. That 4, they all 4 got a little collision. We got some smoke on over there as they maneuver their way out of there. They all giving a little love tap to one another. And that 410 KO. I believe we are down to 3. We have the 410 KO card, that 311 with the little bump, and number 55. 410's trying to maneuver his way. And they're all ganging up on the 311 car. And we got a flag. And we have 3 left, the 311, the 410 KO, and the 55 car, whose back bumper is torn to shreds. The 410 KO car gives 55 a little bump. And they both back into the 4 Loco. They're still trying to maneuver their way out. He's trying to get it started. Oh, we almost had a near collision. 55 gave him a little love tap. And just backed into red flag, red flag, red flag, red flag, red flag. 1, give him the green. We got 55, 311. And the 4 Loco cars still in it, I believe. 311 and 55 are over here in the corner. 55 still giving them a little push. '55 and 311.